sunken
architecture mashora nyumba thiko iciri
niguo
no igwo na nyumba ekiendio heka mundu kendagia nyumba mitandao-ini. I don't know his name. He has a heavy accent and it's very interesting. Kauga, today I'm introducing you a very beautiful house. You really want to love it because we are selling this one. It has a sunken sitting room. This is the powder room. The powder room over there. We have a very spacious balcony. Stretches all the way with a spectacular view. You can view this house at Tigoni. It's going for only 40 million shillings. Just imagine.
Only?
Yes. I know the command is very interesting. He's in property.
Yes.
Look at the was sunken sitting. Yes. Sunken
yes.
Ha dining iri. Na room isi gisio there. Ogethia sitting room wa ba kwaroka to stay at ke. Tiganona.
Yes.
Okay, sunken sitting room. Yes. And I was looking back over the years. Gimanya that idea is actually inspired by very humble beginnings. Nyumba isto ikarashia doro tene turia nini re. Dwe ya doro ya kaone community. Yes.
Yes.
Kwani muthenya wa
ithiga. Na niri arugagirwo.
Wega biu. Terugagirwo ati nigetheri. And it was the only time.
Yes.
Ogionia thoguo niete ndoro
na gukoja mufuto nuthu
nuona thoguo fani muno akanetie ndoro mwiri wothe agithinga
tondu ni ithinga.
Yes.
Na thutha ucio kunyorokia
tondu kwamba wako structure.
Yes.
Mwacoka riu mugakia ndoro
bito
kwa nyimbo cia ithinga icio kucia no nganya mbere ungicimena ni cia gatene.
Oh my memories.
Ndoro wego kai gathinga maigira nyumba yo ri at first day.
Yes.
Yakorwo ground level. Yes. Oria muramihata ri noguo mwathia murikeire. That was the sunken sitting room of then
originally.
Yes. Na nyumba yo ri
yes.
Ona ni ungiamenyire iniri andu ri makinyitie ha kuringana oria irikite
oria marahata
ukamenya ni hatitwo miaka 10 tondu waigira ri ni ta wagwa rui
Mungu ametoa watu mbali.
Unajua nyumba za matope they are slowly on their way out.
Yes.
Sigire kwa ile availability ya materials. Nyumba waigiraga mundu etheini ri especially mundu wakura ayekuwa ithia wa muona passport
tondu ni arikeire
ukaiwa wakaruku document naja
wenago
kanyume
au makeria
yare sunken sitting room.
Yes.
Na they atita go, you know those houses were dark. Na actually studio. Ola nyumba cia ndoro bau gabu thiini utakiguago. You know yari na acoustics ta goko studio. Ndoro ona njigua kwa andu ni undu wa kwiheri hope ri mau nyumba cia ndoro icingiraga rithathi. Ukarigwo muno cio ukakumuia na fundu kinyumba ndoro
egukorwa kiaki.
No, when you were inside there,
yes,
mwaria mundu ndangegwire haja. So it's like a studio in a effect. Yes. And nikiona mai manyungu baigwo ku nyumba mai hawe.
Yare a way of refrigeration.
It was a refrigerant of sorts.
Yes.
Na gutiingiragia urugari gutiingiragia heho. Yes. Acio na ndore maumire riu ya ndorori magiaka mabatiri. They had to struggle with the cold. Tondu ibatiri ni raingiria heho.
Riu ona kava ya ndoro ndakwira ibatiri rugari.
Yes. Na heho utuku. Yes. Ugakora kanyumba kau wikarite kura igwa gukirite ki na hena gatuma na ndiwe kana designers a nyumba icio the ni meranite measurement ya ndrija gatuike kani.
By the way, hardly
ciothe
ungionire dirisha nene.
Yes. Ya guthagwo sedi
na he ici riu wa mwanyorokia ri gucora nyumba na cokogwo na muhu guthakaria.
Riu roci ni wokira ri wahingura dirisha yo ukana ta mundu wa guthwo furu right ndika
tondu ni kalaiti ngaraingira kalaiti kare karaingira
ndi nyumba ne ndumachi pitch dark.
Yes.
Riu ugiukira rucini ugo waingura dirisha ndwe yakwerorete mugunda wamba ukaikara ndagika ta ithano uadapt maitho metikire utheri uriku
utheri ucio
it is like a beam yes
oh my goodness
nyumba icio riu kwaja wonaga riu gakiuma ndogo guo miena it was also kind of a
them days
riu guo miena itiekirawo makirigici wega riu wonaga kanyumba gathiurukitwo ni ndogo muno no na ndogo ya cera yaguo
guothe
no isi muno citiekoro rumu nyingi nyumba ya ndoro
there about sitting room bedroom ya ciana ya ciari
absolutely na riko
haria njari araudi
riko kwiri muria koro o nyumba o iyo yes
kana riko ria thie njari ni ria ndoro na ni ria nyeki
absolutely riu ona atari andu maragucia cica
andu ni kuma kuraihu
ona ndo maragucia cica yes ekiona ndo tugia kanyumba twakana sunken sitting room kaundu kau gathie gatum kau ga sunken
wauma sitting ugathie dining
ukamihata na mafariti
one
yes ta okurege ni maroka kuma ndo fimo kanyorokia na muhu mukona mugerete
those memories
yes and we had esteem the people had esteem
very
meko hatago na maigwe they have outdone themselves
ona gikeno
yes
andu acio kona mari agitheri no mena gikeno magathie magakoma
yes
kio kwiragwo mbeca cia ya gukorwo ni njega no citingigura gikeno
no ndio kwari wendo muingi muno
very
nowadays you will not find a home at ciana ira ikara riko ciothe gukirugo
how the games the phones
ikara hau thoguo nake aigua gathano ni kamugutha kae hori agoka kamweheria kahora agetua ti mwaki arota I'm telling you.
Thaici athuri riu ni bypass.
Bypass na mungetho.
Tene turi wakara.
Bro, siti athia guguo tene.
Nigatigana gikeno